Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone in respect of which country are you watching from. This channel is mainly designed for my followers and people that are using my software. I like to do my ROI, return over investment, on weekly and monthly, but today is another Saturday. I want to show what I traded, what is return on my investments during the course of the week. So the first thing we need to do is let's go to FX Blue. So let me log into my FX Blue first. So I like doing this because when you see the industry, the way the industry is going, we see a lot of people patronizing that they are traders and they are making millions. Guys, forex is not something that you can jump into in anticipation to become a millionaire in few weeks, few months, even few years, because there are many factors that will depend that will determine what you are going to get from the market. So to me, I'm not doing this just to bluffing, but I'm doing this just to let people that are already disappointed know that if they go the right route, they can still make a lot from this opportunity, the opportunity of the market. So I have two accounts that I design purposely for my classes. So, and it's a live account. I don't believe in demo account, and I don't have time to even waste on demo account. Let's see what we have done, what is going on. On this account, this is my old robot. I'm still running it partially because I want to stop it by next week, which is 1st July, because the new modification I did on the code is giving me more than what the old one is giving me. So we can see that in month of June, if you look at the statement of last week, those that watch the video, you can see that I think I'm sitting on 0.5 as at last week. Markets push very nicely this week. The return over investment for this month has become 1.6. Okay, but don't forget that on this account I'm going to do rollover in July 1. So I always do my rollover at the first day of a new month, which I'm going to explain I think in the course of weekend, because I think today is the last let me see, on the first Monday will be July 1st. So definitely this video is going to cover the week report, and okay, later I'm gonna do the monthly report because I do monthly report also, but it's fine. So the major thing I normally look at is my return over investment for the month, and the next thing is what did I trade for the whole month. And I used to say, I like to check my risk. My risk is here to see what's probability of the robot to mess up the account. So on this robot we can see that we have 0.2% probability that this robot can lose 10% of the account, so which is almost as equal as zero, that there's no feasible possibility that the robot is going to lose 10% of the account. This report is online. You can check it yourself. You can go through it yourself. This account has run for 123 days, which is about 5 months, if I don't make a mistake. So this is the first account I'm going to talk about, and let's go to our trading platform and see what we're going to see there. I think, let me check the account proper. Okay, this is the account. Okay, this is the account that I show the return of our investment. And last week I said, if you go back and check the analysis I did, return of our investment, you can see that within the week I trim some of the USD JPY, because I told you is the only pair that edge along the way. It's only pair that edge. So during the week I got opportunity to trim it, because if you look at it, I think last week is sitting on 0.06 buy and 0.06 sell. But if you look at it now, 0.01 has been trimmed off the edge, because I understand how to edge market, so I don't use stop loss. If you look at my stop loss channel, stop loss column, you can see that it's always 0. I don't use stop loss. I'm very comfortable with it, because like I said, you will hardly see a hedge fund manager that will have billions of dollars in their portfolio, but they are using stop loss. Stop loss to me is just a trap for a retail trader like me and you guys that are watching. So I don't use stop loss. I manage my float by edge my trade at a particular level of risk which I program in the robot. Okay, now let's look at what we did during the week. I think last week was 17 to 23, so we're going to pick 23 now to, okay, July 1st. Yeah, it's fine. So now if you look at, if I do this, these are what the robot traded this week. This is what it traded this week. If I can get, let me see if I can get you see, this is where I managed to, if you look at this is where USD Japanese yen sat on last weekend. This is a lot size that edged last weekend. But if you look at the way I manage it this week, you can see what I came in with. So it's the only one that edged, and it has edged since I think since month of April. You see, if I'm using stop loss, I'll be struggling to get my capital back now. But because I don't use stop loss, I edge, so it doesn't really affect my trade. That is why I can still have that float, and I can still have a return on investment, despite the fact that it edged the USD Japanese yen edge in month of month of April. I think it's April. The pair edge in April. Despite the fact that it edge, I'm still bringing in profit every month, because I manage that edge with trimming and rollover. I just want to quickly confirm to us that you can see now here in month of April, that's when the US Japanese yen pair edge, but you can see in April I still did 7.1, in May I did 4.2, because I did some rollover in May and I did rollover in June. So once you understand what we are talking about edging, you don't use stop loss. As a retail trader that knows what he's doing, you will know that stop loss is just a trap. So okay, so having said that, so this week we did $19.74 in this account. This account is a training account, but I don't train my students, I don't train my follower with demo account. This account is a live account. If you look on top, you see HF Market, South Africa, live server 8. That is what I'm using. So it's not a demo account. And HFM is a regulated broker in South Africa. So know that I'm cooking a story for you guys. So I don't know what really happened to this platform because every weekend it doesn't show the analysis on top. I will have shown you that it's the same account I'm dealing with. Let me even check, maybe I can see the summary here. I want to see so that it doesn't look like I'm playing with you guys. So I want to see if there's a possibility to see the name of the broker somewhere else. It's not here. But you can even see that it's a real account we are talking about. If you look at this column now, account type it's a real account, it's not demo account. It's a real account, it's not demo account. So I don't believe in demo, wasting my time on demo account. So this is how it goes in the second week. So I think I need to extract these reports, because like I used to do, drop it in the group for people to criticize it or anyhow. This account is I think it's 612. Yes, let me replace it with this. Yes, let me replace it with it. So we're going to analyze, let's try to analyze the report as well. I don't want this video to be too long, so let me just be a little bit faster. You can see today is 29th of June. I'm doing this video around 8 o'clock, and this is the account number. This is HFM Market, South Africa. So now, if you look at what happened here, this spike you saw here is where I did my edging, where I corrected the edging, like I said. For the whole week, we have a drawdown of 2.11% of the account, which is $58. And we did a net profit of 19.74. You can see because of edging, I have drawdown that is higher than return, because I need to trim some of the edge so that by next month I will finish trimming, and then I'll be able to get quick return on my investment, maybe in month of June. I mean July, August. So that is the report on this account. This is the report on this account. I'm gonna drop it in the group. These are the running trades that's still going on, and if you look at the reason why we have this float is because of USDJPY that we are still managing the edging, but this doesn't have any effect on my return over investment on a weekly and monthly basis. It doesn't have any effect. It's just that I need to manage my trade management when it's okay. By July ending or August ending now, I will have melt this edge completely, and if I don't have any other edge, then I can start doing 7%, 8% per month. But that's not the issue. The issue is I love 2 to 5% per month on my trading account, because I don't expose too much risk on my account. So now let's quickly go to the second account. The second account is my latest robot, which is what I'm going to switch all my accounts to in the coming month. By July, I'm going to stop the old account, the old robot on this on my account, on my trading account. So now, this is the second account, like I'm saying. Let me let it load. I think it has loaded. Okay, it's still loading. Oh, okay, it has fully loaded, and you can see it's a live account too. It's not a demo account, it's live account. Now let's go to monthly return table. Now you can see last month in May, the robot did 6.0 a month. Now in June we have done 6.6, so we have 0.6 ahead the previous month. Yeah, sometimes it's like this. That means in the 2 months I did 12.6% of my investment, return on investment. And let's go to the risk, because like I said, I love checking my risk, how the robot expose my capital to the market, what is the probability of blowing it. This has been traded for 54 days, which is 2 months, and you can see that probability that this robot can burn my account is 0. Look at the probability section is 0. Even the old robot I'm trying to stop is even 0.2 here. It's not even 1%. So because what I normally do is my money management is very tight. So I just want to expose little capital to get my return over investment. And this is online. You can check everything on your own so that we don't waste too much time on this. So now I need to go to my Rail account. Let's go to the trading platform. Let me switch to the account. I think this is one. So okay. Okay, now let's go here. Okay, now currently we are running float of $111 in this account, because last in month of May pounds edge, but I finished the edging. It's not more edge now. I've finished the edging completely, and you can see that still I didn't use stop loss, so I don't use stop loss at all. I don't use stop loss because, like I said, stop loss is just a trap that broker use to frustrate trader, retail trader. So if you can get a strategy that doesn't use stop loss, you will enjoy trading. So let's quickly look at what is our return on investment and what did we trade. So I think this is 29. I think we start from 23 to 29, and this one will give us this. Okay, so now if we look at it now, okay, like I used to say, forex is not that you just need to go and get $10,000, $1,000, $500. You don't need all those things. With $10 you can start your investment. If you know how to do it, you can start your investment, and whenever you are making money within the week, within the month, you can come and drop more money. This week I deposited more money into this account. Actually, like I said, this is a student account. It's not my real account that I'm managing, but I can't be telling my student I'm a trader, but I will be showing them demo account. I don't know how reasonable that is. So, but this account, as we are trading it together, by December, this money will be something for me to buy some drinks. Yes, I'm using it for practical, but at the same time, I'm making money from it. So you don't need to be looking for $1,500, even $200. You don't need it. Just $10, and you start growing it. Because this forex is an investment. I'll keep on telling everybody following me. Forex is an investment. Instead of keeping your money in the bank, if you know how to do the business properly, you put it in your account, you grow it from time to time. And whenever you need money for urgent thing, you can come to your investment and borrow money. So that is what I will just keep on telling everyone. You can see now that I added money to my investment during the week, and this is what I traded all through. Okay, and this robot gave me $81.89. So for the cost of the week, that's what I made. So, and funniest thing about this is that I don't have rollover on this account anymore. So this is a pure profit. There's no rollover anymore. So now let me extract this account, this statement, because I'm gonna drop this statement in my group. So let's I think this account is 780-34-529. So yeah, and you can see this account, and this is today, and this is HFM SV, this HFM Markets International, this The first one is HFM South Africa, and the second one is HFM international account. The reason why I'm using international here is because the account is not in South Africa, because I can only use South African regulated account because I am still inside South Africa. That's why I have those two different accounts. And let's try to look at and you can see the equity curve. Everyone you saw that sharpening up, that is when I deposited more money in the account. That's why you see them shoot up. So now, if you look at this drawdown for the week, we have 0.05%. That means the maximum risk the robots use this week is $1.84 to get $81 back from the market. Is that not amazing? This is amazing. So, you know, and this is how the week runs, and this is what we have as a float. You cannot do without having float, guys, because float is the money you are investing at a particular point in time. So sometimes don't let your float give you panic attack. There's nothing like that. So this is how the week goes. But now that we can see that this should be the last day of the month of June, but I'm going to just send into the group. I will send the full month analysis, for everybody to see how the robot performed for the whole month on the two accounts. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And if you come back to the column of my stop loss, you can see all through there's no stop loss in my trade. So because many people comment on issue of stop loss in the podcast, that how come a trader will not use a stop loss, because that is what they bury in our brain, that we must use stop loss. There's no a serious fund manager that will use stop loss. Stop loss was designed for the for me and you that were a retail trader, and it's most frustrated part of the trading. Imagine you have your stop loss hit 3 times in a row. Emotionally, your trading, everything is going to change. So I think this is all I will say in this video, and I'm gonna we can't discuss it because I'm going to upload the video in the group. We can now discuss it. Anybody that have interest to discuss it, we can discuss it during the course of today and Sunday. Remember the rule of the group. Once it's Monday, we lock the group, because as a trader, I don't have time to be talking during the week, because I have a lot of things I do during my weeks. So thank you guys, and until we meet in next week, which is July, I will say blessing to every one of us. Bye.